Most people invest in the wrong order. Investing without a proper plan is the biggest financial mistake. That's why you see these charts falling sharply. Most people invest in the wrong order. Investing without a proper plan is the biggest financial mistake you can make. This emergency fund acts as your financial shield. By setting aside funds consistently, you're securing peace of mind and coverage for those unexpected life events. A strong financial safety net is crucial. It protects your savings from unexpected events like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden home maintenance issues. Look at this rate right here, 22%. That is incredibly high, and it means you are losing money every single day to accumulating debt. The first step to true financial freedom is eliminating high-interest debt. You need to cut these chains, because compound interest works against you until you do. Employer matching is free money, and you should never skip it. Just look at this diagram. Your $1 instantly transforms into $2. If your employer offers matching, you have to take advantage of it. It is literally free money for your retirement savings. As you can see, saving 3 to 6 months of expenses in this vault creates a financial shield. This emergency fund is absolutely vital to protect your future. The Roth IRA is arguably the smartest investment account for beginners, primarily because of the incredible advantage of tax-free growth. With a Roth IRA, your investments can truly flourish. And the best part, as this tree shows, is that growth is completely tax-free. The S&P 500 Index Fund proves that low-cost, diversified investments are consistently the safest way to build long-term wealth. Most professional investors fail to beat the market long-term because they can't avoid this volatility. Index funds, however, provide steady growth you can count on. This is the power of dollar-cost averaging. By investing consistently every month, even if the market fluctuates, your portfolio is. While crashes can be alarming, remember they are temporary setbacks. For long-term investors, staying invested allows. Compound interest is simply when your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning even more returns over time. Start small and stay consistent. As you can see on this timeline, time equals growth. A small investment today can become a massive final value in 30 years. Here are the biggest errors new investors should avoid. Stop panic selling, you need to stay invested. Don't try to time the market. If you're serious about building wealth, start today, one smart step at a time. If you're serious about building wealth, start today, one smart step at a time.